In this video, we will show you how to configure the EyeSight settings in your Subaru Forester. To set the warning volume for the EyeSight system, first navigate to the menu screen on the multi-information display using the arrow keys located at the 7 o'clock position on your steering wheel. Then press the Eye/Set button to access the menu. Then use your up or down arrow keys to navigate to the warning volume function. Press the Eye/Set button to enter the menu. Then use the arrow buttons to adjust the volume for all the warning sounds, including the EyeSight warning, the blind spot detection and rear cross traffic alert warning, and the reverse automatic braking warning. Lane Keep Assist uses the stereo camera system to scan the lines on the road and works with the electric power steering to ensure your Subaru stays safely in the lane. To turn off Lane Keep Assist, push the Lane Keep Assist switch located on the right side of your steering wheel. The Lane Keep Assist icon will disappear from the instrument panel display layout. To turn it back on, simply push the button again. By configuring EyeSight settings, you can customize your experience behind the wheel of the 2019 Subaru Forester.